Hello everyone, my name is Ojas and I was an Illinois delegate from McLean County. My favorite part of the Ignite experience was attending workshops like Under the Sea and hackathons and meeting like-minded people I still talk to today. These workshops were very engaging and informational and had great ideas that I could lead back in my community. Near the end of the conference, the idea sheets with community service ideas from all around the US was a phenomenal way to see how groups are impacting their community in various unique ways. My main advice for those attending in the future is to pick a track that you don't already have previous knowledge in. For example, during my year, there was a STEM, healthy living, and Agriscience pathway. I have previous experience with STEM, so I chose to attend workshops focused on the other two pathways, exposing me to new, engaging topics, and I recommend doing the same for you.